Prayer tayo, ha?
Yes, please.
Pero dyan lang ako.
Excuse me. Nakakatakot kasi sa grand finals ng Himig Handog.
May car block, uwi lani. Huwag naman silang dututin na parang bangus. Sponsor kayo, no?
Pasado ba siya siya?
Bakit talaga?
Thank you. Yes, of course. Thank you. Project and for my first time at theater and of course everybody's help from the director to Sir Benny, the cast, sobrang yung experience totality is priceless and something I would always want to bring kahit po.
And how were you able to embody?
My name in the play is Darla / Jessa nung naging impersonator na ako. And I can relate a lot to her kasi sumasali sila si